How to fix Black Ops Cold War BLZBNTBGS000003F8 error. Here are some tips that would help fix Black Ops Cold War BLZBNTBGS000003F8 error. 1. Try playing your game using a wired connection via Ethernet. 2. Power cycle your network devices, then your PC. 3. Run a network reset in Windows 10 settings. 4. Perform clean boot to stop the troublesome program that uses data while the Black Ops Cold War game is running. 5. For Wi-Fi polyers, disconnect some unwanted/unused devices. 6. Run the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration/release IP protocol configuration/renew IP protocol configuration/flush. 7. Try an alternative DNS. 8. Try using a fast NordVPN server and playing Black Ops Cold War later. And Google other tips re-troubleshooting your in-home network.